What's up guys, Nico with Nico's Wings here with another 360 VR episode. This one from Stuart to Boca, very short flight, but it's going to be interesting because they're sending me all over the place due to the TFR with the president being there in the Palm Beach area.
Send to the panel, enter, activate, very nice. Let's pick up the weather.
And remember, on the 360 videos, you have to pan around. You can look anywhere you want, see anything, zoom in, pinch out, and see every angle you wish just by moving your finger around on the screen on your mobile device or your tablet, or just using the mouse pointer to just drag and move around the entire screen on your PC or your Mac. And remember to view in full 4K for the best results possible. So enjoy this and send me your comments or feedback, or of course like and subscribe.
Airport, advise the controller on initial contact. You latest information, Yankee.
Yankee. All right, we got information on Yankee. All right, let's switch over to ground and pick up the clearance. Stuart ground, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu looking to pick up IFR to Boca Raton.
November 122 Sierra Zulu is cleared to the Boca Raton Airport. As filed. Maintain 3,000, expect 5,000, 10 minutes after. Palm Beach departure frequencies 132.8, squawk 4676.
Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu is cleared to the Boca Raton Airport via S file, climb 3,000 and 5,000 after 10. Departure frequency 132.8, squawk 4676.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, that's correct. Yankees current advised ready for taxi.
2 Sierra Zulu is ready to taxi, information Yankee at the Jet Center ramp.
2 Sierra Zulu, taxi to runway 12 via Alpha, hold short, taxiway Charlie.
Alright, runway 12 via Alpha, will hold short, taxiway Charlie, 2 Sierra Zulu. Runway heading, runway 12, clear for takeoff, Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu.
Aztec 9 Mike roll, just roll out on a heading of 230.
Alright, database is transferred.
230.
We're good. We're rich. Good. All across the board. Now it's clear. The runway is clear.
Roger 9 Bravo Golf, turn to a 120 heading.
120 heading.
AC off, let's go. Full power. Full power, looking good. Speed alive. Pressure's good. 77. There we go.
Okay, fall in behind him, runway 12, number 2, clear to land.
About 90. Left up.
Cirrus 2 Sierra Zulu, contact Palm Beach departure, good night.
Over to Palm Beach today, 2 Sierra Zulu. Palm Beach departure, good evening, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu, just departed Stuart, runway heading 1100 for 3,000.
Number 122 Sierra Victor Palm Beach departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4,000.
122 Sierra Zulu, 4,000. And now we're officially entered the TFR. But it's okay because we're
turn left heading 150 intercept the final approach.
IFR flight plan.
2 and advise Stuart to site 9 o'clock 10 miles.
We have the airport 150 on the heading, Twilight 15.
15 clear to visual approach, runway 12 do not exceed 190 knots, contact Stuart Tower 126.6.
Run over to tower, maintain 190.
Number 2 Sierra Victor, turn right heading 210.
The tail number is 2 Sierra Zulu. You said turn right, what heading?
2 Sierra Zulu, turn right heading 210.
Right heading 210 to Sierra Zulu. Climbing at about 1,400 feet a minute. We're already at 4,000 feet.
Departure exit 787 4000 for 5,000. Number 20 Zulu, turn right heading 290.
Turn right heading 290 to 7.
That's 787 Palm Beach Approach Drive. Number 75231.
We're running it all over the place. Let's put a little shade for you guys there too. So the sun is not in your eyes. See how nice of a pilot I am? I take care of you.
Number 20 Zulu, turn left heading 200, contact approach 124.6.
Left 200, 124.6. Palm Beach, good evening, Cirrus November 122 Zulu 4000.
122 Sierra Zulu, approach Roger, fly heading 180.
180. Let's get everything set up here.
We have Whittington inside. 12 Mike radar services, terminate, keep your squawk code, maintain outside the 10-mile TFR.
Come to active, and then we're going to put the ground for Boca on come to standby. Yep. Let's listen to the Boca weather. Papa.
Wind 090 at 9er, gust 18. Visibility 10. Sky conditions, ceiling 8,000, broken, temperature 24, 2.17, altimeter 3012.
Alright, 3012, information Papa, wind is coming from the 090 at 9er, gust 18. There's a little bit of a gust factor. Although in this airplane, we don't use any gust factor until we're over 10 knots. It's 9 knots, so I'm going to use a little bit of a gust factor. So the final's going to be at 84 knots instead of, you know, whatever the angle of attack is going to show me. I'm just going to shoot for 84 and then try to be right at the 0.6 at the yellow edge, where the yellow meets the white on the angle of attack indicator. Probably going to switch speed a little bit to 125.2, I'm thinking. I'm going to plug it in, just in case they're using that. I'll have it ready to go, and we'll tell them that we have information Papa in the Boca. Just basically telling them that I've done my homework and I do have I've listened to the weather. Also on COM2 radio, I don't need to have the weather into my active frequency. I'm just going to switch to ground, 1.8, and that's ready to go.
122 Sierra Zulu, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to maintain 3,000 to Sierra Zulu. .3,000 feet. Put the landing light on. Brakes are good. Let's put some lights. It's getting a little bit dark. .6:15. Sun is going to be setting in 13 minutes.
Number 20 Zulu, turn left heading 160.
Left 160 to Sierra Zulu.
November 20 Zulu, descend to maintain 2,000.
So maintain 2,000 to Sierra Zulu. I'm going down to 2,000 feet. Palm Beach to Sierra Zulu, field in sight.
Number 20 Zulu, roger. Expect a visual approach here in about 4 miles.
I will expect that to Sierra Zulu.
Number 20 Zulu, clear visual approach runway 5. Keep speed up as much as practical.
Alright, speed up, clear for the visual runway 5 to Sierra Zulu.
Doing 56 Palm Beach. Number 20 Zulu, contact Boca Tower 118.42.
Over the tower. Good night, Sierra Zulu, thanks. Boca Tower, good evening, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu on the visual runway 5.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, Boca Tower, runway 5, you're clear to land.
Runway 5, clear to land, 122 Sierra Zulu. All right, we're good. We're clear to land. There's the runway. Snatch of flaps. There's the runway right there. Nobody coming, nobody on the screen. We are clear to land for runway 5. Let's slow down a little bit more. Flaps.
500.
Northeast to Seattle.
Sierra Zulu, roger. You can continue down the runway to Bravo land to the ramp district. Say good day.
Alright, down to Bravo, to the ramp with you. Good day to Seattle. Alright, well, thank you for watching this flight, guys, and hope you enjoyed that 360-degree view. And send me your comments. Of course, remember to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And of course, stay tuned for another episode by Nico's Wings. Take care. Good night.